All right, joining back. So our 40 minutes timer got exhausted. Okay, welcome back, everyone. All right, Chimbuzuma, are you following? Have you been able to do everything we've been doing so far? Just give me a thumbs.
I was distracted, so I wasn't grabbing everything, but I've done some.
All right, so are you seeing this? Are you on this particular page? Have you been able to get here?
Yes.
All right, very good. Okay, so this is, we want to just put in your email address or that of your parents if you don't have any, then put in a password, then put in the password again, and click on sign up, sign up, sign up. So once you do that, you'll be able to sign up and start learning. Okay, so for me, I already have an account. So I'm just going to my own account and I'm just going to type my own account in. Okay, so everyone, I want you to click on, all right, let me follow the process through so that we don't get lost. Okay, so there's someone annotating on my screen. Please, can you not do that? Okay, so what was the first thing I mentioned? The first thing I mentioned was, okay, come to open your browser. When you open your browser, come to code.org, then click on sign in. Click on sign in. So this is, we have sign in here. Click on sign in. When you've done that, you should get to a page that says sign in if you already have an account or create an account. So that's what we all want to do now. So we want to create an account. So I'm just going to create an account here. Password. I'm going to use a password that I can remember.
Is that I should click on create on an account or sign in?
So click on create an account. So if you click on sign in here, then you see this create an account. This one, this blue one. Okay. So that's what we're going to click on. So when you click on that, then you see this second page that I'm on here. So we want to create our account. So you type in your email address here and you type in your password here. So I'm going to type in the password for myself that I can use here. As I said, make sure you type a password that you can remember. And once you've typed that in, all you have to do is click on, sign up, the sign up button. Okay, that's all you have to do. So I'm going to click on the button right now. Sign up. Okay, So it's going to bring you to this next page, right? So it's going to bring you to this next page. It's going to ask you some other questions. So for account type, or you click on students, okay? Click on students. Are we there? So for you, you guys are students, so click on students. For me, I'm a teacher.
When I click on sign up, the thing just gives me that I should add A, and it's in the A is in a circle. On my first one, like the email.
Okay, so check your email well. You probably didn't write it you didn't write it very well. So your email should have at that thing is called an at.
Okay.
This your email should have this symbol at. If you are using Gmail at gmail.com or at yahoo.com or at any other at that you're using. So your email must have that. If not, you're not typing it correctly. Okay, so for you, you're clicking on students. For me, I'm a teacher. I'm going to click on teacher. If there are any other teachers joining us here now, you can as well click on teacher, right? All the students click on student. The teachers click on teacher. All right, so for me, it's going to be different. A different display would show for me, but for you as students, you can click on another thing. So I'm going to create a teacher link right now. Then I'll show you how to create a student link. Okay, so this is my teacher link. Okay, now I want to open up I want to open up my student link. So as I said, click on create an account. Don't forget that create an account. Okay. When I click on create an account, I'll just wait for it to load up. It's taking time to load. Okay, it says I'm already signed in. Okay, so I want to sign out of my teacher account and create my student account. All right, Tiwalade and Iwelua, you're raising your hands. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me see. Yeah, I can unmute you now. Yay. All right, so I can hear you. I can hear you now. All right.
Ma'am.
Okay. How are you guys doing? What was the question? Did you unmute again? You muted yourself again. I want you to unmute. All right, unmute. All right. Good voice. And you guys again. I don't know.
Hello.
Please.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear now?
Yes.
Hi, I'm am hearing you. You just muted yourself again. Okay, so I'm unmuting you.
When I went to my browser, I saw Learn Computer Science change. Then what should I do?
I said click on code.org. Have you put this in?
You are asking how to do it. When the meeting is due.
Yeah, she was muted. That was wrong.
All right, so I'm going to mute everybody. I can only unmute it from my end.
Hello, ma'am.
Who is speaking?
Hello. I want to ask a question.
All right, Tualade Irilwa. Okay, I'm hearing you.
Please, I just started hearing you, so I didn't hear all you were saying. So please, can you repeat it again?
Okay, I'm going to repeat it very, very quickly, especially for those of us that as well didn't get me. So, do you have your browser open? Do you have your browser open?
Let me check.
So look for Chrome.
That's what I want to do.
Yeah, so look for Chrome and open up your Chrome browser.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have that open?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once you have your browser open, go to this search place where you can type in things and type code.org, code.org, code.org.
Okay.
When you type that in, click on enter, you're on your keyboard. Just click on enter. When you click on enter, you should be seeing this particular page that I have open. So when you see this page, can everybody see this page? Yes, you should be seeing this page. Can you see this page now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. That's amazing. So now click on sign in. You see this top, this particular place where I have sign in here, where my mouse is, where this red circle is. Click on sign in at the top right. It's at the top right. So just click on sign in.
Okay, ma'am.
Once you click on sign in, it would say have an account already, sign in. But we don't have an account yet, so we want to create an account. So look for where you have the button that says create an account. Create an account and click on that button.
Ma'am.
Okay?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Hello, ma'am.
I'm hearing you.
I want to ask, is it the sign in on the something that they wrote code?
Okay, so I'm going to go back to the previous page. All right, look at, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, look at this place where I have this red circle here. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now go back to your own browser and click on that sign in there. Have you seen it? Have you clicked on it?
Yes, please.
Are you sure?
So sign in.
Are you sure? Have you clicked on that button?
I've signed in already.
All right, so if you click on sign in, you should see another page that looks like this that says, have an account already, sign in. So there you put your email and password. But I know now that all of us, we don't have an account, so we want to create an account. So you're going to click on that blue button that says create an account. Create an account. So for those of us that have not gotten it, please follow me step by step. Click on create an account. So once you click on create an account, you should see this other page here. So you just need to type in your email address and you need to set a password for yourself. So I'm going to type in an email address for myself. And I'm going to type in a password that I can remember. Type in your own email address and type in a password that you can remember. Okay, have we done that? Once you have done that, click on sign up, sign up, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you'll see this second page that says finish creating your account. Finish creating your account. Now click on students. So if it's your parents or your guardian's email that you use, click on I'm a parent or guardian. But if you made use of your own name, then you can leave that, don't check that, just leave that, okay? Just leave that alone. And it will ask for your display name. Display name. Your display name could be your nickname or the short form of your name or any name that you like calling yourself, okay? So put in your display name here. So for me, my name is Dami, so I'm just going to type in Dami. Then to ask for your age, okay? So put in your age here. Put in your age here. So I'm more than 21. So I'm just going to select my age here. Okay. So, but make sure you type in your correct age, okay? Then the next one to ask for gender. Gender. Are you male? Are you female? Yes, so put in your gender. So I'm female. Then lastly, you click on the button that says go to my account. Go to my account. Go to my account. And here you're already on your dashboard. You're already on your dashboard. So this is what the dashboard looks like. This is what the dashboard looks like. So for throughout this week, on our chat section, everybody would make sure we create our accounts. Then we would start exploring different things, different projects, different games, different things we can build here, different dance parties we can do here. And also, as I said, I'll be sharing a classroom code for you so that you can join my own classroom and I can see your projects and I can give you assignments and you can do every other thing. Okay, so that is, we'll be rounding off today's class with that. I believe we all got a lot of things from today. We're able to create our account. So I want you to start exploring. You see this place that says my courses, start learning, find the course. You can click on it and start seeing different courses. I will be there with you on the Telegram group to show you the different things we're going to explore, the different projects we're going to do, and all of that. So for now, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I want to see all our faces. I know some people have some questions. Okay, Chimbuzuma, I'm going to unmute you right now. Okay, so I just asked you to unmute yourself. So you can unmute yourself. Okay, I can hear you now.
So what you were saying, now I've gotten to the end of where you've been talking about now.
Okay.
So, but what should I now do next? Any other thing? Should I just leave it or?
All right, so
That's what I'm saying.
I want to confirm which screen you can see. Can you see this particular one that says my dashboard? Is that the one you can see? Is that the one you can see?
Yes, I've seen it.
All right, so you can see this one that says my dashboard. Okay?
I've seen it.
All right, so if you can see this, then
yes,
perfect. This is perfect. Before the next class, you can start exploring different things. Have a look, just go around, just play with it. Look at different projects, look at different courses. But in our next class on Wednesday, but before Wednesday, we would all have it on the Telegram group, and we would all understand different things.
Okay.
All right, so I'm trying to share my video. I think I can.
Ended.
All right, so if I hope we are all here. So any other question? I know someone else was raising his or her hands. Okay, so I'm asking you to unmute. There's someone using PC. I don't know your name. Okay, so I'm hearing you now. I'm hearing you now. All right, so do you have a question? So I'm just going to take questions. We should have finished by 12, but I'm going to take very few questions. Then every other question we can ask on our Telegram group. All right, you would have to speak up so I can hear you well. So you'd have to speak up so I can hear you very well. So you're unmuted. Please speak up. I'm not hearing you. Speak up. Okay, so I can't hear you. I'm going to the next person. All right, who's raising hands? If Hichuku. Okay, so I can hear you now.
Well, I tried it, but I tried putting in the password, but they kept on telling me that the password is incorrect.
Did you go to create an account?
Yes.
Okay, and are you sure the password you put in the first place is the same thing as the one you put in the second place?
Yes.
You have to be very sure. If it is not the same, it will keep telling you it is incorrect. So go back to the first one and type in a password you can remember. go back to the second one and type in that same password.
Okay.
All right, so do that. If it is correct, definitely it will go. The same way mine went, it's going to accept it and proceed to the next stage. All right, any other questions? Okay, so other questions you can ask me on, the group. Okay, every other question, feel free to ask me on the group and I would gladly answer all of our questions. Okay, all right, Aldor, thank you. You just raised your hand now. Okay, so I'm hearing you now.
Good afternoon, ma.
Okay, this also okay. All right, I'm hearing you. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Ask your question. Can I use Scratch?
Okay, so we will get to Scratch much later, but we are not using Scratch now. We're starting with this because it covers the basics of coding and you know about coding first before we go into Scratch.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
All right, thank you. All right, someone else raising the hand. All right, so I just asked you to unmute. Okay, so we've gone past our time, and I don't want us to do that. Okay, so I'm asking you to unmute. Can you see the pop-up on your screen? So you can unmute. I think this is Princess. Unmute. Okay. Oh, Precious. I don't know who this is, but all right. I'm asking some of you to unmute, but you are not unmuting yourselves. So I might have to just call it. All right, Princess. I'm hearing you.
Miss Damilola,
Go ahead. I'm hearing you.
when I press create your account, what should I do next?
Okay, so I'm not going to go, I would not be able to go back to that because of our time. I'm just going to share the steps on the Telegram group. So after this call, just watch out on the group for all of the steps, what we discussed today, okay? All right, we're going to round up with that today, and tomorrow, sorry, next week Wednesday, we'll continue with our next video call. But over the week, we all will be having a chat on Telegram, and we will get to know everything we discussed today. Those of us that could not get it today, we are going to understand it, okay? Don't worry. I'm going to answer all of your questions on Telegram. So I'm going to allow people to start typing on Telegram. So feel free to ask all of your questions and I'll answer them one after the other. All right, guys, bye. All right, so you were not seeing me. Bye. So we'll chat on Telegram, okay?